Today, mobile technologies come in different shapes and sizes. At the moment, three of the most well-known technologies are GSM, 3G and LTE. All three live happily alongside one another, but for the most part, GSM and 3G run on different pieces of hardware. This makes it complicated for operators to roll out new technology across networks, because each time they do, they have to upgrade or replace part of the network infrastructure. This is making life difficult, particularly at the moment, because operators have started introducing LTE alongside their existing technologies. So wouldn't life be easier for everyone if we could find a way to bring GSM, 3G and LTE together? That way, operators will be able to run multiple technologies in one go. The good news is Nokia Seimens Networks has come up with a way to make this possible. On our networks, we can now run multiple technologies through the same hardware platform. This is the simple truth about Single RAN. So what does Nokia Seimens Networks Single RAN look like? Well, Single RAN is not a thing. It's a solution that has rewritten the rulebook on how to manage and build profitable mobile broadband networks. To run any mobile technology, you need a base station. Billions of devices are connected to thousands of base stations, which act as access points to a particular mobile network. But Single RAN has taken mobile technology beyond simple base stations which can only run one type of technology at a time. Single RAN has allowed us to run mobile technologies on something called a multi-standard platform. This is a platform which allows us to run more than one type of radio technology at the same time. By bringing these technologies together, we have created a new and cost-efficient way to prepare networks for the future. And this is good news for communication service providers for three reasons. Reason one is that we've made networks simpler to run. Because when you have to run each type of technology on a separate platform, carrying out upgrades can be expensive and time-consuming. Not only does it mean you have to deal with more complex network scenarios, it also means you have to invest a lot of time and money in developing your company's expertise. The good thing about Single RAN is that it only uses one platform for all technologies. What's even better is that you can carry out all your technology upgrades by downloading a simple software update. So there's no new hardware to deliver or install, and no need to spend time on planning a massive rollout for even small system upgrades. The second big benefit of Single RAN is that it improves the experience for the end user. For smartphone users, our state-of-the-art software for applications helps your battery last longer. And what's more, because Single RAN increases the speed data can move across networks, mobile broadband customers get more data, faster and at a better rate. How does it do this? Well, on traditional 3G networks, you normally have to go through things called controllers, which manage several hundred base stations at once. With Single RAN, our base station can connect directly to the core network. This means we can bypass the controllers completely, so data can travel faster. LTE networks do this as standard, so by using our Single RAN solution, you will be able to migrate your other platforms to LTE nice and smoothly. The third big benefit is flexibility. Your first generation base station is probably large in size and needs lots of maintenance. And if it has to live outside, it needs lots of protection to keep it safe from bad weather. We know this costs operators lots of money and wastes lots of energy too, especially on equipment cooling. So we've developed base stations that are small and can be installed anywhere, whatever the weather, from -35 to +55, inside, outside, in cabinets, on a pole or hidden in billboards. So it's a greener and more cost-effective solution. Over 5 years, our Flexi multi-radio base station uses about 70% less energy, saving CSPs money and cutting down their carbon footprint. This particular base station has won loads of awards for energy consumption and technology advance. Sound impressive? It is. And that's the simple truth about Nokia Seimens Networks Single RAN.